Okay, so we've got a Kubota f2890. This particular one has done what would be termed a front engine seal up there. So just to make sure everyone knows what's going on, so you have to remove the mechanical front drive by a couple of external circlips, strip them back, and you knock the splines like a sleeve spline back, and eventually that shaft will drop off. And one I had some excitement with, obviously there's three studs that hold the main engine drive on into your gearbox. Once you get that off, there's the what would be a harmonic balancer. Now just so you know, there is, you might be able to see it with my fingers, a little timing mark, and that lines up with the timing mark on the crankshaft here. So make sure you get that back together. I'm yet to get this seal out, so that looks like my next exciting task. But I'm getting there, and it's actually reasonably quick and easy. I've just got it jacked up, a couple of stands, wheels chocked. I feel pretty safe under here, so yeah. So stay tuned for the next episode.